Hi, my name is Joseph Rudis. I'm your host today, and we're going to be showing you how to install a Roth indoor tank. The filler pipe as well as the vent pipe hasn't been installed yet. We did install the oil lines. This one uses a dual oil line. One is for the supply and the other one is for the return. And this type of oil tanks, you have a filler as well as a vent pipe. So that's what we're going to be doing next. And basically when we do that, we measure to see where it can go in exactly, come in and out the filler pipe as well as the vent pipe. You don't want to disturb anything along the way. In this particular case, you got your gas, your electrical, plus you need the vent pipe as well as the filler pipe. Actually, the filler pipe, you need to have it at an angle so that when it's being filled with fuel oil, it'll run down towards the tank. Here you see where the filter is. This is the dual oil lines that we installed that came from the fuel tank, and it goes up above and all the way over there. When we cut through the wall, we make sure that before we cut, it's going to line perfectly inside. In this particular case, we drew pilot holes. Whenever we install an oil tank, we do this for everyone, so this way there's no chance for error. Here you see the two holes that we drilled. As you can see, they're perfectly in position. And here's the conclusion. We're showing you the completed Roth oil tank that we installed. Everything is properly secured. There's no movement in the piping. Especially this type of oil tanks, you know, it's plastic inside, so you can't really put any pressure on the top of these oil tanks. Otherwise you're going to end up with a problem. And on the outside, where we drilled the holes, it's properly sealed so that insects won't come in. The cold weather won't affect the area, as well as, you know, for fire protection. And here's the completed look of the fill pipe as well as the vent pipe. This one, the customer requested a locking type, and so we put one in. This way, after it's filled up, it can be secured properly. Thank you for watching our video.